We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally pronounced as accuracy. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Note the Q sound here as the second syllable, accuracy. In American English, however, it is normally said as accuracy. Accuracy. Still an emphasis on the first syllable, but a K sound here rather than a Q sound. Accuracy in American English versus accuracy or accuracy in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.